Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So you guys remember, you've seen this video of me cleansing my hair to prevent dehydration with the baking soda. I love to do that to make sure I don't have any buildup. Also rinsing it with the apple cider vinegar and my tea rinse. Along with making this tea spray has helped my hair so much with dehydrating and keeping it healthy. But today I'm going to show you guys how I make another spray to cool my scalp and prevent itching and just any kind of irritation. So instead of plain water, I'm going to be using aloe vera juice, which is great because it has scalp soothing properties. And I'm going to do an entire jar of this, which is about 16 ounces, and I'm adding 3 tea bags in there. I'm adding green tea, which is great to help scalp renew and rebalance. So we're going to add 2 tea bags of that because I want a lot more of green tea in it. And I'm also adding black tea, which reduce shedding and stimulate growth. So it'll be great to not only stop the itching but also help grow your hair. And I'm going to basically soak these in there and leave it overnight. I leave this for 24 hours, guys. I'm going to cover it, and this is how it looks after 24 hours after everything has soaked through. I went back and added a little bit more aloe vera juice, so it's about 20 ounces of aloe juice. I'm going to add rosemary essential oil because it protects the hair from germs and infection that may lead to an itchy scalp. And of course, the next oil I'm adding, guys, is some tea tree essential oil. Now, tea tree essential oil is amazing for your hair because it is a powerful antiseptic. It has antibacterial and anti-fungal properties, which are great for dandruff, fungus, germs that cause infection and itchy scalp. The last essential oil I'm going to add in there, guys, is going to be my peppermint essential oil. I love this essential oil because it's great for soothing and conditioning your scalp, and it comes down any burning or itching sensation. I use this little spray bottle. It's about 8 ounces. I'm going to fill it up almost entirely up to the top. I'm adding 10 drops of rosemary oil and also 10 drops of tea tree oil. I'm also adding 4 drops of peppermint oil. Make sure, guys, if your scalp is easily irritated, to add a lot less than these. I'm going to make sure I fill this back up so I can have the complete 8 ounce of spray in there. And there you go, guys. All you do is close it and this is ready to use. I use this in about 4 days because I spray my hair morning and night, and my hair feels so good. It feels refreshing, it's soft, and it doesn't itch anymore, and I absolutely love it. The rest that's left, I usually make about 2 bottles out of it, so it works great for me throughout the weeks. If I use this in 4 days, I'll have enough to redo this twice. And that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, go over and watch my last video.